Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm going to walk you through how to delete your account in Houzz app on a device. So to know more about this app, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. So in short, Houzz is an app for home design inspiration, finding professionals like contractors and designers, shopping for furniture and decor, and planning home improvement projects. And it helps you visualize, collaborate, and execute your home design ideas. So it is very useful app to those who want to explore more in designing and want to recreate or redesign or renovate their house or make new ideas. So this is a very interesting app. But if you want to delete your account from this app, you need to follow a few steps. Unfortunately, Houzz does not offer a direct option to delete your account through the settings. You will need to contact the customer support team to request deletion. So for that process, you need to log into your Houzz account on the website through the app, and after that you need to visit your profile on the website and click your profile picture or your name in the top right corner, and in the app tap on the profile icon. In the app tap on the profile icon, and after that you just have to, on the website you can just reach them by visiting the help center. Like alternatively, you can send an email to support@houzz.com or use their online contact form, and after that in your message customer support mention that you want to delete your account and request confirmation. So Houzz typically responds to account deletion request within a few business days. So that's how you can just delete your account through the Houzz website, and it's very easy to do. So that's it for today. Let me know if you need help with anything else in comment section below. So hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.